The Auto Symbol Label command allows you to automatically place labels on or next to symbols on the design. You may select the desired position for the labels to appear in relation to the symbols, as well as the specified offset or distance the labels will appear from the symbols. The command works best with irrigation symbols. Landscape symbols are normally labeled using the Quantity Label command from the Landscape menu. Open the Auto Symbol Label command from the Tools menu. Click on the Symbol Selection drop-down menu and select the option of your choice. This setting works together with the Category filter to determine which symbols will be labeled on the design. The Selected Symbols option will label only the symbols that have been manually selected on the design screen that are also within the selected categories. The All Drawing Symbols option will label all of the symbols on the drawing that are within the selected categories. In the Category Filter location, click on each category to label one time with the left mouse button until a check mark appears in the box. Categories that have not been selected will not be labeled. For example, to label all sprinklers on the design, click on Sprinklers until a check mark appears in the box. No other symbols will be labeled on the design. Select an option from the Description Type drop-down menu. The Use Description option will place the description for the chosen symbols based on the description as shown in the Equipment Costs database. For example, the default description for a Hunter 10-foot full circle turf spray nozzle is PS 10-360. If the Use Description option is selected, the Use Full Description checkbox will be available. If this feature is enabled, the label for sprinkler symbols will be followed by the body assignment. For example, the label for a Rainbird 15-foot full circle shrub spray nozzle assigned to an 1812 body would appear as 15F1812. Plant labels will show the common name, botanical name, or abbreviation as entered in the Plant Material command and assigned in the Landscape Options command, followed by the plant size. The Use Symbol Label option will place the text as entered in the symbol label field in the Equipment Costs database. For example, for a Toro T5-15 turf rotor, you may set the label to display as 15. The Custom Label selection will allow you to enter a description for the selected symbols. If this option is selected, you may enter the description for the label in the description text box. In the Label Offset text box, type in the desired number of units to place the labels in relationship to the associated symbol. The offset is based on the insertion point of the symbol. An offset of 0 will place the label inside of a symbol. In the Label Angle text box, enter a value for the desired position of the label in relation to the symbol. An angle of 0 will place the label to the right of the symbol, while an angle of 180 will place the label to the left of the symbol. An angle of 90 will place the label above the symbol, while 270 will place the label below the symbol. In the Font Settings area, adjust any of the font settings as necessary. Once the settings are made, click on the Place Symbol Labels button to label the chosen symbols on the design screen.